probably know Mr. Beast, the YouTube legend with over 400 million subscribers, famous for crazy challenges and massive giveaways. But here's something most people don't know. Hey everyone! Welcome to the channel, your new go-to place for learning how to build wealth and grow your brand online. If you're serious about making real money in the digital world, hit that subscribe button because today's video will completely shift how you think about online income. Let's get straight to it. Mr. Beast earns even more from his website and brand than he does from YouTube itself. Yes, YouTube brings him massive views and revenue from ads and sponsorships. But his website? That's where the big money flows in, and it's 100% owned by him. Let's break it down. YouTube pays creators through ad revenue. But that income is split with YouTube, and it can fluctuate wildly depending on the algorithm, advertiser demand, and viewer behavior. But when Mr. Beast sells a hoodie or a t-shirt from his own site, he keeps all the profits. No middleman, no algorithm, just a direct connection between him and his audience. He's not just a creator, he's a brand, and his website is the heart of that brand. And here's what's exciting. You can do the same. You don't need millions of subscribers. You don't need viral videos. You need a website, a digital headquarters for your business, your brand, or your content. Let's talk about how people make real income from websites. Types of websites that generate revenue. E-commerce stores sell physical products, clothes, gadgets, or digital items. Ebooks, courses, digital art. Service-based sites. If you're a freelancer, coach, web designer, or editor, your website is your portfolio and booking center. Affiliate websites create blogs or review sites that earn commissions when people buy products through your referral links. Membership sites charge users to access exclusive content, tools, or communities. Blogging sites with ads share valuable content and monetize with Google AdSense or sponsored posts. Course platforms share your skills through online courses. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you actually create a high-quality website? Well, the internet has made that easier than ever. You can use WordPress, the most powerful, customizable platform for all types of websites. Shopify, ideal for e-commerce stores. Wix/Squarespace, great for beginners who want beautiful websites without coding. But even with these tools, many people struggle. That's where I come in. I'm a professional web designer with over 5 years of experience helping individuals, entrepreneurs, and companies create stunning, responsive, and profit-driven websites. I build websites that are clean, modern, and mobile-friendly, fast-loading and optimized for SEO, easy for you to update and manage, integrated with social media and email marketing, designed to turn visitors into paying customers. From e-commerce stores to personal portfolios, from blogs to service sites, I make sure your website is more than just a page. It's a powerful business tool. Imagine this. While you're sleeping, your website is working, attracting visitors, capturing leads, making sales. That's not a dream. That's digital reality. If you want to start today, just click the link in the video description. Whether you're launching a new brand or upgrading your online presence, I'm here to help. Let me build your online HQ and help you build your future. Final thought. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, they're amazing platforms, but they're not yours. You're borrowing space. Your website is different. It's yours. You control the design, the traffic, the income. No algorithms. No limits. So don't just create content. Build a brand. Own your space. Turn your vision into a business. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable. Share it with a friend who needs this advice. And subscribe for more videos about websites, online income, and digital success. See you in the next one.